Hi, my name is Lisa Shirk, and I'm going to give a flash talk on the Digital Peace Factory, which is a competition to create digital peace building content, including memes, GIFs, and videos. This fall, we invited a variety of peace builders across the United States to submit memes to mobilize and empower people to be change agents in polarized online spaces with fun, funny, colorful, and inspiring new digital content. This is an example of one of the contestants' entries to the Digital Peace Factory. We worked with a partnership of a variety of different peace building groups that are experimenting with digital peace building. I work for the Toda Peace Institute and the Alliance for Peace Building, and I worked with Search for Common Ground, the Center for Justice and Peace Building, New Gen Peace Builders, the Listening Campaign, Build Up, and the Plus Peace Coalition. We know that social media is impacting divisions in the United States, and memes and GIFs on social media often further polarize. Last summer, the US Senate Foreign Relations Committee released a report that found Russia used social media and, in particular, used memes to intensify and increase polarization in the US and in an attempt to undermine the US election. This is another example of one of the memes one of our contestants entered this fall. Peace Builders created memes to depolarize US politics and to emphasize kindness, empathy, and building bridges across political divisions. This is another meme that was entered. We reached thousands of people in October and November during the US election season with this sort of advice and guidance and encouragement to try to find respectful political discourse online. This was another entry into our contest. Memes offered variety of kinds of key messages, skills, and stories of social justice and peace building. These were tips for talking to your family and friends over Thanksgiving, whether by Zoom or in person, to talk about, how do you talk about politics in this kind of politicized context? How do you really listen to the experiences that shape other people's beliefs? And how do you try to find common ground and shared values during this election season? Memes also address the growing trend on the left of a denouncing dialogue and listening as too soft or politically ineffective. So, for example, Professor Loretta J. Ross had given this wonderful article about calling in as an alternative to calling out. Calling in is calling out in private, involving compassion and context, whereas calling out is about publicly shaming another person. Some of the memes that were entered into the contest really captured the essence of the tension on social media between advocating for social justice on one hand and avoiding social polarization. Thousands of people engaged with the content. They saw it, they liked it, they shared it, or they commented on it, so that it was trying to spread it around. The next steps for this Digital Peace Factory contest, we're going to invite you, the audience, to help us by taking a quick survey distributed by the Alliance for Peace Building in their upcoming newsletter, as well as on our Facebook and Instagram and Twitter pages. So take the quick survey to vote on your favorite meme and to give us your guidance on the future of the Digital Peace Factory. We really want to know how we can make this idea go further. If you'd like to partner with us, let us know if you'd like a webinar on how to make memes and GIFs. And join our Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp pages so you can see more of our digital peace building content. We hope to hear from all of you. Thank you. Bye.